National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Bryan County in southeastern Oklahoma, east central Marshall County in southeastern Oklahoma, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 4 miles southeast of Woodville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and ping pong ball size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Durant, Silo, Meade, Armstrong, Eastern Lake Texel, and Calera. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.